So how can you share information from iPhone to another iPhone? So let me show you some things which are available. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends, right? If like the iPhones are both yours, meaning that they are signed in with the same Apple ID, and you want to keep on sharing some information in between, the best way to do it is through the iCloud synchronization. So you can check out these settings, tap on your profile at the top of the list and go to the iCloud, and you can click on see all apps, and this is where you decide what gets shared, or the information which is going to be synced between devices. For example, it might be contacts, reminders, the messages, or you can see all of the different things like even journal entries, right? As long as you have it enabled and synced to the iCloud, and you have it like synced on both devices, so that is also important. Like you also need to enable it on the other device as well. As long as you have that, then it's all going to be shared in between the devices. So you will, for example, start a new note on one iPhone and it will also appear on the other. So that's very useful. So that is, of course, for the devices which belong to you. If you want to just share something from one iPhone to someone else's, then the best way is to utilize the AirDrop, right? So it now depends on what the file is or what the information is, because you can literally just go to the Photos app and click on share and use AirDrop and find devices nearby. Just make sure that the other person has the AirDrop visible for contacts or everyone, right? So that is how you could be doing that. Let me know if I didn't mention something very specific, like some kind of like information which you wanted to share and I just didn't show you. So let me know about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.